Hey there, have you ever wondered if the fruits and veggies you're eating are truly clean? Most store-bought produce is covered in pesticides and waxes that you can't see, and that's a problem we all face in our kitchens every day. Today, I'm sharing a super simple hack using baking soda to clean your fruits and veggies quickly and effectively, keeping your family safe from harmful chemicals. You'll learn how this common household item can remove up to 90% of residues in just a few minutes, making your meals healthier and more delicious. Imagine biting into a crisp apple that's sparkling clean, with that fresh, juicy crunch and natural sweetness shining through. No weird aftertaste from chemicals. This hack is perfect for busy parents or anyone who wants to eat cleaner without spending extra time or money. Let's start with the basic method. First, fill a large bowl with cool water. About 4 cups should do for a standard batch. Now, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda for every cup of water, stirring until it dissolves and creates a fizzy solution that smells faintly like fresh minerals. Submerge your fruits and veggies, like those vibrant strawberries or crunchy carrots, and let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes. The baking soda works by loosening dirt and pesticides from the surfaces. You'll see the water turn slightly cloudy as it pulls away grime, revealing the produce's natural colors and textures underneath. After soaking, use your hands to gently rub the items, feeling the smooth, clean skin emerge. Rinse everything under running water for about 30 seconds to wash away any residue and pat dry with a towel. This step alone makes your fruits taste fresher and smell more appealing, like that sun-ripened aroma from the garden. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Let's build on that by varying the technique for different types of produce. For delicate items like berries or leafy greens, use a softer approach. After the initial soak, swirl them gently in the baking soda water to avoid bruising, then rinse carefully to preserve their juicy texture and bright colors. But wait, there's an even easier way for tougher veggies like potatoes or cucumbers. Just scrub them with a baking soda paste made by mixing 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a little water to form a gritty scrub. This method deepens the clean, removing stubborn dirt while enhancing the natural earthy smell and firm feel of the produce. Remember to use about 1 teaspoon of baking soda per pound of veggies for the best results, and always rinse thoroughly to ensure no baking soda taste lingers. Your meals will feel lighter and more vibrant, like enjoying a salad with perfectly crisp greens that pop with flavor. And now, for the game-changer tip that'll have you sharing this with everyone, the addition of a few drops of vinegar to your baking soda soak creates a fizzy reaction that boosts cleaning power even more. Mix in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar per quart of water along with the baking soda, and watch as it bubbles up, lifting away residues like magic while filling the air with a crisp, tangy scent. This combination is especially amazing for fruits with waxy coatings, making them gleam with their natural shine and revealing deeper, more appetizing colors and textures. For instance, treat your apples to this method, and you'll notice a significant difference in their sweet, tart flavor without any bitterness from chemicals. Use this for about 5 minutes of soaking, followed by a quick rinse, and it's a total wow moment that saves time and keeps your produce tasting its absolute best. Trust me, once you try this, it'll become your go-to hack for every grocery haul. But before you rush to try this, let's talk about common mistakes to avoid for the best results. One big error is using too much baking soda, which can leave a soapy taste on your produce if you don't rinse properly. Stick to the 1 tablespoon per cup ratio and rinse for at least 30 seconds under cool water. Another thing is soaking for too long. Over 15 minutes might make some fruits mushy, so set a timer to keep that fresh crunch intact. Always use room temperature water to avoid shocking delicate items, and pat dry immediately to prevent any moisture from inviting bacteria. By following these tips, you'll ensure your fruits and veggies stay vibrant, flavorful, and safe to eat every time. To wrap it up, We've covered the basic soak with baking soda, variations for different produce, the vinegar boost as the star tip, and how to avoid common pitfalls. The vinegar addition is definitely the one you'll want to remember for its extra cleaning power and surprising fizz. Give these hacks a go, and you'll have cleaner, tastier fruits and veggies that make every meal a delight. I hope you try this baking soda hack and see how easy it is to keep your produce fresh. Let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple food hacks like this one. Up next, we'll tackle meal prep tricks. Stay tuned.